continue this process. Just you concentrate more and more only on your breath, and you feel how the breath is entering through your nostril and it's reaching within in your lungs. The alveoli inside the lungs are becoming bigger like the balloon, and at the time of exhalation alveoli becoming smaller and lungs compressing. Just your work only to visualize the whole process, how it's happening, how the air is entering, slowly it's reaching inside your lungs, and the alveoli is becoming bigger like the rubber balloon. That's why the lungs expanding, rib cage expanding, and at the time of exhalation, how the alveoli is becoming smaller, lungs compressing, rib cage compressing. Just you need to visualize and try to feel it for 30 seconds by yourself. Just you continue to feel the whole process. Now position same. Just slowly you just try to lie down on your back. Cross leg रहेगा, and you slowly just try to lie down on your back. Just lie down on your back. Leg cross ही रहेगा, जैसे आपने cross था वैसे ही cross रहेगा, and slowly you just try to lie down. Cross leg ही रहेगा, and now you try to do the cross hand also above your head. Just try to catch your elbows by using your opposite palm. Just try to catch your elbows by using your opposite palm. You try to catch your right elbow by using your left palm, and catch your left elbow by using your right palm. Just make the cross hand and try to catch the elbows, and you just try to relax. Try to distribute your body weight within your buttock muscles and the back side of the shoulders and the back side of the head, only within this point, and you relax your whole body by mind. Totally relax. Completely relax the whole body by mind. Just relax. Only relax. Totally relax the whole body by mind. And you try to bring your whole consciousness, whole awareness, especially under your navel region. Just try to concentrate more and more only under your navel region. Just concentrate more and more under your navel region. From that area to your genital organ, within that area you just try to concentrate more and more. This is the area of the Apan Vayu. Just try to concentrate more and more only on the movements of the Apan Vayu, how the Apan Vayu is moving within that area. Just you need to feel that movements of the Apan Vayu. Just try to feel how the Apan Vayu is moving at that area. Slowly it's moving up towards the navel at the time of inhalation, and at the time of exhalation it's coming down towards your genital organ. Just try to feel that very subtle movement of the Apan Vayu. It's moving up towards the navel at the time of inhalation, and it's moving down towards the genital organ at the time of exhalation. Just you try to feel it for 10 seconds by yourself. Now, very slowly, just try to bring your whole consciousness only at your navel. Just try to concentrate more and more how much you can only at your navel. Relax that part. This is the area of the Saman Bayu, and you try to feel how the Saman Bayu is moving around your navel like a chakra at the time of inhalation and exhalation. Just try to feel how the Saman Bayu is moving around your navel like a chakra during the inhalation and exhalation. Just try to feel for 10 seconds by yourself. Then very slowly just try to move your whole consciousness only above your navel from that area to the beginning point of your throat, the whole upper part of your lungs. Just concentrate only within that area, the upper part of your navel, from that area towards the beginning point of your throat. This whole area you try to concentrate. This is the area of the pranavayu, and you try to feel how the pranavayu is moving within that area. Just you try to feel that very subtle movement of the pranavayu. Slowly, when you are inhaling, pranavayu is moving down towards your navel, and at the time of exhalation, pranavayu is coming up and moving up to your throat. Just try to be aware this very subtle movement of the pranavayu, how is moving down at the time of inhalation and how is moving up at the time of exhalation. Just opposite to the Apan Vayu. Just try to feel how the Pranavayu is moving down towards the navel at the time of inhalation, and how the Pranavayu is moving up towards your throat at the time of exhalation. Just you become aware for 10 seconds by yourself. Then very slowly just try to move your whole consciousness, whole awareness only inside your head. Just the beginning point of your throat, from there to the top portion of your head. Just try to concentrate more and more only within that area. Just concentrate more and more. This is the area of the Udan Bayu. Just concentrate more and more how the Udan Bayu is moving within that area for 10 seconds. Now slowly try to spread your whole consciousness, whole awareness within your whole body, and you try to feel how the Byan Vayu is moving within the whole body, within each and every cells. At the time of inhalation, the Byan Vayu is coming towards the navel, and at the time of exhalation, how is spreading within the whole body, within each and every cells. Just become aware for 10 seconds. Just try to feel the movements of the Byan Vayu within each and every cells during the inhalation and exhalation. And now we will do the yogic breathing. Yogic breathing is divided into three parts: abdominal breathing, chest breathing, and the clavicular breathing. These are the three parts of the yogic breathing. Slowly you try to inhale and you try to expand your abdominal area. Then take more air and try to expand your chest area. And you try to expand your clavicular area. Then slowly you exhale, compress your clavicular area, chest area, abdominal area. 3 rounds more. Inhale, abdominal area up. Inhale more. You try to expand your chest, expand your clavicular area. Then slowly you exhale, compress your clavicular area, chest area, abdominal area. 2 rounds more. Inhale. Try to expand your abdominal area, chest area, clavicular area. Exhale. Compress your clavicular area, chest area, abdominal area. Last round. Inhale. Expand your abdominal area, chest area, clavicular area. Exhale. Compress your clavicular area, chest area, abdominal area. And now you very slowly just try to erect your legs. पैर एकदम सीधा. Make slight gap between your legs. Slowly release your hands and you keep the hands by the side of the body. Keep it erect. Slight gap between your body and the hands. Palm facing to the sky. Complete dead body pose. And you relax your whole body, the mind, and you try to feel the inner changes inside the body. Just relax. Only relax. Totally relax. Complete relax the whole body, the mind. And now you very slowly just try to breathe in, breathe out. Just breathe in, breathe out. And now take a long breath and chant Om. Trayambakam Jajamahe Sugandhim Pushtibardhanam Urva Rukamiva Bandhanata Mritu Makshi Imamritam Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Feel the Shanti Bhav.